Hello everybody, let's have a look at our measurement activity for today. Alright, let's have a look. Over here I've got four shoes, just four shoes. I've got a mommy shoe, I've got a baby shoe, there is little Elster's shoe, and over here is a daddy shoe. Alright, so what you first can do is you can look at the size of the shoes, and then you can arrange them from the smallest one to the biggest one, from the biggest one to the smallest one, things like that. Also, what you can do is you can go and you can measure or compare the two shoe sizes, and once again use language like this one is short, this one is longer. Maybe how many of these shoe sizes? Oh, let's have a look at the daddy shoe and the baby shoe. Let's see. Now, if I want to see how many of these shoes will fit into the daddy shoe, if you want to, you can actually take a paper and you can put the daddy shoe on the paper. Ooh, jeepers. This is a big daddy shoe. You might need a bigger paper. You can use a newspaper as well. That might help. And then you can make a little line of where the daddy shoe begins and where he ends. Alright, let's do that. Now let's see how many of these little shoes would I need to fit into a daddy shoe size. Let's have a look. There's 1, 2, 2 and a bit. Can you see that? Alright, so now you can go and measure how many shoes will, and remember when we measure, we can't measure here and then far away. We have to make sure where we made the line, that is where we start again to measure the next shoe size, or else it is not accurate measurement. Also, what you can do is you can see how many of a bigger shoe size goes into a daddy shoe, or you can see how many little baby shoe sizes goes into a mommy shoe. And then for fun, you can measure your table at home with shoe sizes. You can measure a cupboard. Maybe you can measure the dining room table. Maybe there's a bookshelf at home that you can measure. And if you really want to, you can write it down. You can draw a picture of a table. Now remember, if we compare the table sizes to each other, then you have to use the same shoe. So you can use your shoe again and again, and if you want to. So there we go. There I've drawn a picture of a table, and then we can see how many shoe sizes would a table be. Or, for example, we can measure this cardboard that I'm using. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3 shoe lengths. 3 shoe lengths this would be. Then I can write the number 3. And then you can measure the next thing and you can compare those ones with each other. Enjoy the activity, boys and girls. Bye.